Hey guys, Brody out here at Guaranty Chevrolet. Today we're going to be viewing a 2015 Buick Enclave Premium. This car has very low miles, right at 54,000 miles. You're going to get about 24 miles per gallon in this car. It is also a Carfax one owner. Very clean, sleek trim package here. Take a look inside. Everything's power windows, power doors, power locks. It's also got your power steering wheel, which I'll show you that in just a second. It's got a beautiful wood trim here on the doors and on the steering wheel. Hop on inside, let me show you the steering wheel. It's power adjustable, which makes it really nice. You don't have to really mess or fiddle with anything. It's also got these two memory seats here. So for you and the spouse, it's very easy to use. Let me show you this back seat. It's also remote start, which I really like. Take a look in here, third row seating. Beautiful leather seats. Pop on in the back, there's plenty of room back here. Just one button click and this thing opens automatically for you. There's a lot of room back here as well. Pull these up, you can kind of see. And like I said, the interior is in very great condition. Look in there. Hop in, I'll show you a couple things about this car. It's got a USB port right here, which makes it very easy to charge your phone right there. The navigation it is equipped with, very easy to use. I'm just going to put in something basic here. Starbucks, very easy to use. If you have any more questions, just give me a call at 541-998-2333. Have a good day.